こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Grammar video 135 and this is gonna be the second part. In the previous video, grammar video 134, we studied te form, TEMO in the case of the verbs. TEMO. But today we're gonna study about adjectives and nouns. This TEMO means reverse condition or contradictory condition, and the English translation is even if or although. We use this expression to say something opposite to the way we would normally say. At first, i-ADJECTIVE, and this the last i changed to ku and temo, so kutemo. But now in a negative sentence, kunai, this is i-ADJECTIVE in a negative. And kunai, the last i changed to ku. Así que ku. Kunakutemo. Kunakutemo. I watch it even if I'm scared. Kowai, this means I'm afraid. And this is i-ADJECTIVE. So instead of kowai, kowakutemo. Kowakutemo, it means even if I'm afraid. 怖くても見ます。怖くても見ます。Although I've got a toothache, I don't want to go to the dentist. To have a pain, we say something が痛いです。In this case, toothache. 歯が痛いです。In Japanese, 痛い, this is i-ADJECTIVE. So you can conjugate like this. 痛い、痛くない。痛かった、痛くなかった。Dentist, 歯医者。Well, 医者 this means doctor. 歯 this is a tooth, teeth. 歯医者 so this is dentist. I wanna go. The verb to go, 行きます。But I want to go. Then without must, I add たい。行きたいです。I wanna go. In Japanese, this たいです。I want to. This is i-ADJECTIVE. So you can conjugate like 行きたいです。行きたくないです。行きたかったです。行きたくなかったです。歯が痛くても、歯が痛くても、歯医者に行きたくないです。歯が痛くても、歯医者に行きたくないです。I've got an exam tomorrow. So, though I'm sleepy, I must study. 眠い. This is i-ADJECTIVE and the meaning is sleepy. So, 眠いです。I'm sleepy. And instead of I change to く. 眠くても. Even if I'm sleepy. Although I'm sleepy. 眠くても。The verb to study 勉強します。And I have to study. Then I must change this 勉強します to ない form. It means 勉強しない。勉強しない。勉強しない。And this ない change to なければなりません。勉強しなければなりません。I must study. Or you can change the 勉強しないといけません。I must study the same meaning. ないといけません。This is a little bit casual. More casual way. 明日、試験がありますから、明日試験がありますから、眠くても勉強しなければなりません。明日試験がありますから、眠くても勉強しなければなりません。No matter how cheap it is, I don't buy the things that I don't need. No matter how or no matter how much or how long. And this is いくらでも。どんなにでも。And in the previous video, a grammar 134, I explained the differences between these two. Anyway, in both cases, This is to emphasize the meaning of でも。The things that I don't need, we say いらないもの。Well, いります。This is the verb, and the meaning is the something that I need. いります。いります。And いりません。I don't need. And now this is a relative sentence. The things I don't need. The things that I don't need, then いりません。In 普通形, this is gonna be いらない。いらないもの。It means the things that I don't need. いくら安くても、いくら安くても、いらないものいらないものは買いません。いくら安くてもいらないものは買いません。We studied affirmative cases till here. くても。But now we are gonna see the negative sentence. くなくても。Though it's not expensive, but I don't buy it. Expensive. 高い。And this is i-ADJECTIVE. And the negative form, 高くない。Not expensive. 高くない。高くない。And in this form, 高くな、the last e changed to く。高くなくても。高くなくても。Even if it's not expensive. 高くなくても買いません。高くなくても買いません。Now let's see the na-adjective and nouns, and they are just the same. It means in affirmative form, in na-adjective and noun, this is 名詞, and from the na-adjective, you don't use it. And always, でも. And in this case, で, て and 点々, でも, not ても, but でも. In the case of negative, instead of じゃない or ではない, the last e changed to く. It means じゃなくても or ではなくても. Although my grandchildren hate green peppers, but they could eat them all. Green pepper, we say ピーマン。ピーマン。It seems the origin of ピーマン, this is from the French language, piment. 嫌い。嫌い。This is na-adjective, even it ends with e. And 嫌い, it means don't like or to hate. For example, the food that I hate. 嫌いな食べ物 or the food I don't like it. Or the person I don't like. 嫌いな人. So this is na-adjective. As this is na-adjective to say, even if I don't like it, 嫌いでも. I can eat or I could eat. We say, 食べます. This is the verb to eat. 食べます。食べることができます。I can eat. 食べることができました。Past tense. I could eat. 食べることができました。孫はピーマンが嫌いでも、孫はピーマンが嫌いでも、全部食べることができました。孫はピーマンが嫌いでも、全部食べることができました。Now we use in the affirmative sentence using 嫌い to hate. 嫌いでも. Now let's practice in the negative sentence. じゃない、じゃなくても using this 好き. I like it. This 好き, this is also na-adjective. So the person that I like, 好きな人. The drinks that I like, 好きな飲み物. So the negative form, 好きじゃない I don't like it. So even if I don't like it, or although I don't like it, 好きじゃなくても. So we can make the sentence the same meaning. Even though my grandchildren don't like green peppers, They could eat them all. 孫はピーマンが好きじゃなくても、孫はピーマンが好きじゃなくても、全部食べることができました。孫はピーマンが好きじゃなくても、全部食べることができました。すごいね。偉いね。Now let's use the nouns. I must work even on Sundays. Sunday, 日曜日。So, even on Sundays, 日曜日でも。The verb, 働きます。It means to work. 働きます。And if I want to say, I must work, then this verb, 働きます, you must change at first to ない form. It is 働かない。働かない。And the last ない change to なければなりません。働かなければなりません。I must work. Or 働かないといけません。The same meaning. 日曜日でも働かなければなりません。日曜日でも働かなければなりません。I think that even children can do this. Even children. Here we are going to use the noun children. 子供。So, even children, then we add でも。子供でも。子供でも。even children. I think I can or I think they can. できると思います。できます。This is the verb. To be able to do. 思います。To think. So I think. と思います。I think something. And this できます。You must change to the dictionary form. できます。できる。できると思います。これは子供でもできると思います。これは子供でもできると思います。He runs even if it's raining. Or he does sport even if it's raining. 雨でも it means even if it's raining. So 雨 this is noun and we can say 雨でも even if it's raining. We can use both verbs. 走ります to run. 運動します to do some sports. 雨でも走ります。雨でも運動します。雨でも走ります。雨でも運動します。This kanji is very difficult. Even a teacher doesn't know it. Actually, I didn't know this kanji. But now I know this is hamo. And hamo, this is a type of eel. But anyway, I don't know what is hamo. I have never seen it. And I have never eaten it. And I didn't know this kanji. Even teachers, we say, 先生でも。この漢字はとても難しいですから、先生でも、先生でもわかりません。この漢字はとても難しいですから、先生でもわかりません。So we studied about i-ADJECTIVE and Na-adjective and nouns. In the case of i-ADJECTIVE in affirmative form, instead of i, くても, and the negative form, くなくても, and the noun and the Na-adjective, でも in affirmative, でも with 点々, this is important, でも. And in the negative form, じゃなくても or ではなくても. Now a quiz time with only 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目. Oh, I can't memorize kanjis. I'm trying so hard, but I can't memorize kanjis. Even easy kanjis. 2番目. The house that my friend rented is far from the station. Although it's inconvenient, it's cheap and beautiful. 3番目、最後です。When it was Corona, even not being sick, we all had to stay at home. In Corona, we say like this, Corona in katakana. I hope now you can use TEMO in every way. Anyway, this exam was a little bit difficult, right? If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you can help me a lot. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it too. いかがでしたか？今日はでもこのビデオのパート2でした。そして形容詞、いい形容詞、な形容詞、名詞での使い方を勉強してきました。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そしてお友達へ紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。